If you are a trader and you don't have the right tools, you are already at a disadvantage. In this video, I will show you 3 free tools every trader should be using to improve faster. Most traders focus only on strategies, but the real progress comes from how you analyze, test, and track your trade. The first tool is GoCharting. This platform helps you to backtest your strategies for free. Backtesting is important because it helps you understand if your strategies actually work before risking real money. Instead of guessing in live market, you can go back, replay the market, and practice your entries. The second tool is TradingView. This one is the most popular platform traders use to analyze charts. You can mark your structure, draw your zone, and understand market movements clearly. Without proper chart analysis, it becomes very difficult to trade with confidence. The third tool is Myfxbook. Most traders don't track their trades, and that's why they don't improve. These two help you to analyze your performance, see your mistake, and understand what's working and what's not. A lot of traders think they need a better strategy, but in reality, they just need better tools and better structure. If you start using these 3 tools properly, your trading will improve much faster. Focus on backtesting, analyzing, and tracking your trades. That's how consistency is built. With this being said, I'll see you in my next video.